First problem, the diameter of a sphere is equals to the height of the cone of equal volume, and if smaller and capillary are the radii of the cone and sphere respectively, then r square is equals to. So given that smaller and capillary are the radii of the cone and sphere, that is, this is the cone. Given that radius of the cone is equals to smaller and this is the sphere, given that radius of the sphere is equals to capital R, radius of the cone is equal to smaller, radius of the sphere is equal to capital R, and also given the diameter of the sphere is equals to height of the cone, that is h is equals to 2r. Here h is the height of the cone, h is equals to 2r, and both are having equal volume, that is volume of cone is equals to volume of sphere. What is volume of cone? Formula 1/3 pi r square, h is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Now what is r square value? That is the given question. So here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, pi and pi gets cancelled, and already here we have that h is equals to 2r, that is r square into 2r is equals to 4r cube, that is r square is equals to 2r square. Therefore, the value of r square is equals to 2 into capital R square. That is the first option. Next problem. If ABC are the angles in a triangle, then tan of A plus B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan of B plus C by 2 into tan A by 2 plus tan of C plus A by 2 into tan B by 2 is equals to. ABC or angles in a triangle, that is A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Then A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. Then A plus B plus C by 2 is equals to 180 minus C by 2. That is A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. That is 90 minus C by 2. When we apply tan to this term, then what we get? Tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to tan 90 minus C by 2. And what is tan 90 minus C by 2 value? Cot C by 2. That is, here tan of A plus B by 2 is nothing but cot C by 2. Similarly, tan of B plus C by 2 is equals to cot A by 2, and tan of C plus A by 2 is equals to cot B by 2. Therefore, the given problem becomes, this is cot C by 2. Cot C by 2 into tan C by 2 plus this is cot tan B plus A by 2, cot A by 2. Cot A by 2 into tan A by 2 plus tan C plus A by 2, cot B by 2. Cot B by 2 into tan B by 2. But what is cot A into tan A formula? Both are reciprocal. So this value is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Next problem, root 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus root 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So given problem is root 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, that is root 1 plus sin theta by root 1 minus sin theta, separating the square root, plus root 1 minus sin theta by root 1 plus sin theta. Now taking LCM, here root 1 plus sin theta, root 1 minus sin theta, these are LCM terms. Writing the two terms in the same square root. What is the first value? Root 1 plus sin theta into root 1 plus sin theta, that is 1 plus sin theta, plus root 1 minus sin theta into root 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Now this is equals to 2 by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square theta. But root 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos theta, 2 by cos theta, that is 2 secant theta. That is the first option. Next problem, if log 256 to the base 4 plus log 81 to the base 3 minus log x to the base 2 is equal to 0, then what is x values to? So first we take the given equation, log 256, that is 4 power 4, log 4 power 4 to the base 4 plus log 81, this is 3 power 4 to the base 3 minus log x to the base 2 equal to 0. Now this is equals to 4 into log 4 to the base 4 plus 4 into log 3 to the base 3 equals to log x to the base 2. That is log 4 to the base 4 equals to 1, log 3 to the base 3 equal to 1. 4 plus 4, 8 is equals to log x to the base 2. Then the value of x is equals to 2 power 8. Therefore x is equals to 256. That is the first option. Next problem, if 2 power x is equal to 0.2 power y is equals to 100, then what is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y? So first we equate these two values, then what we get? 2 power x is equals to 100, then the value of x is equals to log 100 to the base 2, writing this value to this side. And second one, 0.2 power y is equals to 100, then the value of y is equals to log 100 to the base 0.2, which implies what is 1 by x value. 1 by x means just simply we are interchanging these two values, that is log 2 to the base 100, and 1 by y is equals to log of 0.2 to the base 100. What the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y, that is equals to, this value is nothing but log 2 by log 100. Log 2 by log 100 minus log 0.2 by log 0.2 by log 100. Now taking LCM, this is log 2 minus log 2 by 0.2 is equals to log 2 by 10 by log 100 equals to log 2 minus, this is a by b form, that is log a minus log b, by log 100, that is 10 square. So this log 2 gets cancelled, minus of minus plus, that is log 10 by log 10 square to log 10. So answer equals to 1 by 2, that is the second option. Next problem, if minus 1 comma minus 2 are two zeros of a polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 is equal to 0, then a comma b is equals to. So given that these two are the zeros of the expression, first we take that f of x is equals to given polynomial, that is 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2. So minus 1 is the zero of the polynomial, means we get f of minus 1 equal to 0. Since minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, we get f of minus 1 equal to 0. That is 2 into minus 1 plus a into 1 plus b into minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Means a minus b is equals to 4. Now we take the verification. If a comma b is equals to 1 comma, then 1 minus 2 equals to 4, which is wrong. Next we take the second option, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Yes, this is the right answer. Third option, 3 minus 2 is equals to 4. This is wrong option. 2 minus minus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 4 option. So only the second option is the correct answer. Next problem, how many sides will be there in a polygon having 54 diagonals? So number of diagonals is equals to 54. And what is the formula for number of diagonals? N into n minus 3 by 2. So n into n minus 3 by 2 is equals to 54, then n into n minus 3 is equals to 108, that is n square minus 3n minus 108 equal to 0. Now taking the factorization, this is n square minus 12n plus 9n minus 108 equal to 0. So n into n minus 12 plus 9 into n minus 12 equal to 0. Then the value of n is equals to 12 or n is equals to minus 9. But we don't take the negative value, therefore n is equals to 12. That is number of sides in a polygon is equals to 12. If the points A, B, C, D are consecutive vertices of a parallelogram. So this is the given parallelogram. The vertices are A 5, 3, B 8, 5, C x, y, and D is equals to 7, 2. Now what are the coordinates of C? So here C is nothing but C is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 5. The first x coordinate is 7 plus 8 minus 5, and the y coordinate 2 plus 5 minus 3. 2 plus 5 minus 3, and this is equals to 10, 4. That's all. That is the third option. Sum of the adjacent coordinates minus opposite coordinates. 7 plus 8 minus 5, 2 plus 5 minus 3. That's all. Next problem, the pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 and 6x plus ky is equals to 12 has no solution if k is equals to. So given lines have no solution means the lines are parallel, and the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. A1, B1 means these are taken from the first line. A1 is equals to 2, B1 is equal to 3. And here A2 is equals to 6. Now substituting the values, A1 by A2, that is 2 by 6 is equals to 3 by k. Then 2k is equals to 18. Then the value of k is equals to 9. Third option. Next problem, sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers is equal to 340. Then the numbers are. So sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers. So first we take the even positive integers are x, x plus 2. What is the given data? Sum of the squares of the numbers, that is x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 340. This is the given data. that is x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 340 equal to 0, which implies 2x square plus 4x minus 336 equal to 0. That is x square plus 2x minus 168 equal to 0. Now taking the factorization, this is 284, 242. So the factors are 14, 12. Therefore this is x square plus 14x minus 12x minus 168 equal to 0. That is x into x plus 14 minus 12 into x plus 14. For x is equals to 12 and x is equals to minus 14, but we want the positive value only, that is x is equals to 12. Therefore the numbers are 12 comma 12 plus 2, that is 12 comma 14. That is the last option.